In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Steam profile name. If you want the name your friends see to better match your current gaming vibe, or you just want a cleaner display name, this quick walkthrough will get you set up in just a minute. Start by launching the Steam client on your computer and signing in. Once the client opens, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see your current profile name there. Click it, then choose View Profile from the menu that appears. This takes you to your public profile page, where we'll make the change. On the right side of your profile page, click the Edit Profile button. This opens your profile settings. You'll land on the General section by default, and that's exactly where you want to be. Near the top, you'll see the Profile Name field. This is your display name, the one your friends and teammates will see in their friends lists, chat, and games. Click into the Profile Name field and type your new name. Take a moment to choose something recognizable to your friends. It's important to know that your profile name is different from your Steam account name, which you use to log in. Changing your profile name won't affect your login details, your purchase history, or your game library. It's just a display change, and you can update it again later if you change your mind. When you're happy with the new name, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Steam applies the update instantly. You should see the new name reflected at the top of the client, and your friends will see it right away in their lists and in-game overlays. If it doesn't appear immediately, give it a moment or refresh the profile page. Occasionally, it can take a few seconds for the change to show everywhere. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your Steam profile name, and it's now updated across your friends' lists and games. Thanks for watching.